Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to perform an emergency startup with your BMW 1 Series car. If your remote control key is empty or there are other problems with your remote control key, you can enter into your car by using the emergency key inside the key inside of your remote key. I showed this in another video on my channel. But now we are inside. We are in the interior and we are going to start the car. And if you're looking behind your steering wheel, there are a key symbol. And if we are holding our key on this area, we can perform a start by this car and this remote control key. Because there are RFID chips inside, and if this key is in the area behind the steering wheel area, then the car will start, as you can see. This is awesome to start your car if your remote control battery is empty or another fault is with your remote control key is going on. That it is easy, as you can see. This is old school car starting, but with RFID chip. The start engine stop button is to start your car and of course to stop your car. And for this we have to use the remote control key RFID area between our steering wheel. Like the old keys. This is the area where we start engines at the past BMWs. Now it's possible like this. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.